I don't know why I even wear gloves. They only last like a few minutes. Now that all the seals and gaskets came in, I can start rebuilding the engine. I know this engine kind of looks like shit, but the reason I'm reusing this engine is because I rebuilt it about 11,000 miles ago. Our new bearings and rods and pistons. It has Manley Ford's pistons and rods, ACL bearings all the way around, AOP head studs. But before the heads go on, I make sure I clean all the mating surfaces, check all my studs, make sure they're hand tight or snug. And I plan on doing a light hone on those cylinder walls just to clean them up a bit so don't go crazy with it. Let's get started. Got my brand new tomato gasket. Make sure it's oriented the right way. All my ports line up. Got my head. The right head, right side of the block. All my mating surfaces are clean. Seated. I don't know why I even wear gloves. They only last like a few minutes. Now I put the washers and the nuts on, the head studs. Now I got my washers and nuts on. I'm just gonna lightly run everything down before I torque it. Now that I got everything ran down, these nuts get torqued to 30 foot-pounds in 3 increments. So I'll torque them to 30, then I'll do 60, down to 90. It's not a bad idea to wait an hour or two, then double check them again. And that side's on and torque. Now I can start working on the left side. Alright, now that the head's on, the next agenda is to install my Killer Bee oil baffle and my Killer Bee big bore oil pickup. Unfortunately, the oil pan didn't make it. Get a little crack there, and it got dented in where the subframe hit it. It's actually a hole in it. And a few good gouges. So I cleaned up the oil pan. But now I need to go buy some RTV, some sealant, so I can throw this bad boy together. See, by the time I finish doing all the oil pan stuff, it should have been long enough for me to recheck the head bolts. See, what happens is the bolts get hot from all the friction of torque tighten it, and the bolts will expand. The metal expands. That's why you want to double check it later. Well, that sucks. Apparently this Killer Bee oil pickup is only for the EJ25s, which this is EJ25, but I don't have a EJ25 oil pan. I got an EJ20 oil pan, so it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna have to go with the old EJ20 oil pickup. It's known to crack, which I've never seen one personally crack. Of course, as I'm telling you this, I found a crack. Not sure if you can see it. See the hole? Okay, I went ahead and took all the sealant back off before it dries. And having a second EJ20 oil pickup but I'd rather not use it. So I'm gonna try to find another oil pan if I can. So I guess until then, I can still do other things like put the cams in, water pump, time belt, time couples, stuff like that. That's up to keep me busy for a little bit. So, change of plans. I already found a oil pan. Actually found a few of them. But I'm gonna go drive across town, go pick it up. That way I can hopefully finish most of it by tomorrow. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I did cut this video a little bit shorter than I wanted due to the oil pan. But in the next video, I'm gonna get a new oil pan and install it. Then start rebuilding the rest of the engine. So stay tuned for that. Also don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. And check out one of my other videos. Maybe this one. Or that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.